for store credit.
All right, this crib is mine. And I'm having that shower, and I'm inviting every sucker I know, and I'm going to oversalt the popcorn so I can make extra money on drinks. Yeah, okay, the name's Connor, so here's what I want. I'll take one of those, and... What are you so happy about?
I thought high school was going to be hard, but this is going to be great. I mean, look, they made a mistake. They put me in a dumb man.
Oh, please, DJ, you'll never make it past lunch. All the switchblades in your back will keep setting off the metal detectors.
No way. Nobody do that.
Yeah, you're right. They probably wouldn't let you keep their knives. Where the hell have you been?
Why does everyone keep saying that to me?
Hey, bitch. Darlene says on my first day of high school, I'm going to get stabbed.
Darlene, what are you telling him?
Yeah.
No one's going to want to come near him after they've pulled him naked out of the lunchroom dumpster.